Hi guys, it's DJ here from CozyRC, and in this video we're going to run the newest addition to my fleet. This is the Hydro&Marine Batboat MKIII. This is a true classic and I'm very stoked to get my hands on one of them. So this boat is about 25 inches long or 65 centimeters long. It is fully made from carbon fiber. When you look at the bottom you can see the nice carbon fiber weave, and also from the inside it is equipped with a float chamber, and it has a 3665 3100 kV motor. We're going to run it on 3S, steering servo, speed controller 120 amp, 6S capable. I'm running a plastic prop for now because this has a M4 thread and I don't have any metal prop that fits on a M4 thread. But I'm very stoked to see the performance. I really like the shape of these boats with the steps. I know that it's not for everyone, but I really like it. I also got the XL version, which is more than 1 meter long, and I'm also going to run that one soon. But in this video we're going to see how about this. I'm excited to see what it can do. Start. Stop, read, okay, start. Alright. Nice. Let's get a feel for it. Oh, looks great on the water. Nice. It's running really stable, flat. Let's take it easy a bit. I think it's running a bit wet, but other than that, I love it. Water cooling comes out, nice. I had to turn down the steering rate because otherwise the rudder touches the prop. Wow, nice. It has a kind of a skipping behavior when it's running its own wake. Wow, awesome. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. I love the stepped hull. I think the turn fin which is installed is really big, maybe too big. Okay, let's see the speed. And obviously this is just with a plastic prop, but I will upgrade it to a metal prop for sure. Stop. 63. Nice. Okay, start. It's running really flat. Yes, full throttle. I think with the battery a little bit backwards. Let's try it actually. With a new hull you always have to learn the right setup, and it's just by trial and error. Okay, let's unplug the LiPo and check some temps. Motor 28, the LiPo 26, speed controller. Speed controller is actually quite hot. 44. This pull noodle, and then we're going to shift the LiPo all the way to the back. If I'm able, yes. Okay, cannot shift it more than this, otherwise it doesn't fit the hatch. Alright, shifted the LiPo backwards. I actually installed a new freshly charged LiPo to get the best result. And we're going to start the GPS again. Start. Okay, let's go. There we go. Nice. I don't see a big difference, but let's see the speed. Pushing it a bit more. Yeah, it is more live now. Nice. Oh. Okay, let's check the speed. Stop. Read 66. Okay, a little bit better than the first one. 3 kilometers an hour gain. Overall, it was a great maiden run. I really like this hull. It has its own character. I like the steps, you can clearly see them when running, and I definitely think the performance can be upgraded. First upgrade is a metal prop, and let's see how she will go then. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!